Question number 17. Write a Python program that accepts marks in 5 subjects and outputs average marks. Okay, what you will take as an input? 5 subjects. And what you will find out? Average marks. So first, what is the formula of the average? Tell me. Average formula is sum of the 5 subjects. Yes, sum of 5 subjects divided by what? 5. Okay, that is number of quantity. So here 5 subjects, so that's why divided by 5. If it's 6, so that divided by 6. Sum of 5 means every subject we will add it, and then afterwards we can do sum of. That means directly we can call, suppose English plus maths plus, like this also we can use it, just like suppose English then plus maths plus Hindi plus IP plus then commerce. These are the subjects, 5 subjects, then divided by 5. Like this also we can do it. Otherwise what we can do, we will calculate it as a sum value, sum divided by 5. Okay, so sum of 5 subjects, this is the actual formula, sum of 5 subjects. Then calculating method is 2 types. These one, every subject we will write it divided by 5. Okay, every subject marks. Now otherwise another variable will take for find out the sum, and these sums will call to the average and then divided by 5 will do. Okay, we have a 2 choice now. So first we will take as a subjects, 5 subjects as input. So first I am now taking English equal to int input enter English marks. Okay, this one I will copy. Then from here, now I will go to the maths, then Hindi, then IP, then commerce. Okay, so 5 subjects I have taken: English, maths, Hindi, IP and commerce. So here we will change it. Here we will write maths, then Hindi, then IP, now commerce. Okay, 5 subjects taken. Now we will take as an average. First take as a variable, average variable, AVG, otherwise A also, anything. Even you can write your name also as a variable. So average equal to, so what we'll do, English ANG plus all the variables we will call English plus maths plus Hindi plus IP plus com. Okay, then divided by 5. Call to the print command. average marks, comma, AVG. Okay. Average of 5 subjects. First marks, suppose 45, then 90, then Hindi marks, suppose 56, then IB marks 67, then commerce marks, suppose 76. Now the average marks, that is 66.8. Like this also you can calculate. Otherwise, what you can do it, here one more variable will take it as a sum. Sum equal to all the 5 subject marks, we will add it. English plus Maths plus Hindi plus IP plus Commerce. Okay. Now, then average equal to sum divided by 5. Now check the output. Suppose 34, English marks, Maths marks 43, Hindi marks 79, IP marks 45, and then Commerce marks is 89. So average marks is 58. Okay, so you can calculate any type.